Have you ever taken a photo that just felt a little bit off? Like it should work, but it doesn't? Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire photography 1 60-second tip at a time. So let's be honest, eye level is our default. Not because it's always the best, but because it requires the least effort. You don't have to think, you don't have to move, you just raise the camera and press the button. And maybe, just maybe, that is a little bit lazy. Now don't get me wrong, sometimes eye level is exactly right. But here's the problem. If every photo you take is from the same height, they all start to feel the same. A bit flat, predictable, unmemorable. And not because the subject is boring, but because the viewpoint is never questioned. It's a bit like reading a story when every sentence has the same rhythm. It's not wrong as such, but it does get dull very quickly. Perspective is basically your punctuation. It creates emphasis, pause, and variation. So here's your quick fix. Before you take the shot, ask yourself one simple question. What happens if I change my height? Try one step higher, one step lower, or even just a slight shift. You'll change how big your subject feels, how important it looks, and how the viewer connects with it. That's the difference between a snapshot and a photograph with intent. And if you want to see how this fits into the full checklist, make sure you watch episode 7 of the Ultimate Checklist here. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.